What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. I'm your host, John Dunlap. In today's video, as you can see, we have a very special box in front of us. This is from Nike and Jordan brand, and this is the legendary Nike Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why the Air Jordan 5 is so important to sneaker culture and sneaker history. We're going to be talking about the design aspects, who the designer is, the story behind the Air Jordan 5 in today's video. So if you do enjoy on-foot reviews and sneaker reviews, sneaker lessons, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to receive an instant notification for every single time we upload a brand new video here at Sneaker Huddle. And without further ado, guys, let's get straight into this box. And here they are, the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the sneaker, they originally released in 1990. The Air Jordan 5 dropped in 4 colorways with its initial drop. The sneaker was designed by legendary Nike and Jordan designer Tinker Hatfield, and was specifically designed for the specifications of the greatest basketball player of all time, Micheal Jordan. The design of the Air Jordan 5 comes from World War II Mustang fighter jets. And one of the signature details for the Air Jordan 5 is the legendary shark teeth. The Air Jordan 5 is also notably known to have a 3M tongue, mesh netting on the tongue and side panels, as well as a unique set of lace locks. The original release for the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red was in February of 1990. Retail at the time was $124.99. Now, fast forwarding 30 years later, this is the 30th anniversary of the Fire Red 5s. The Air Jordan 5 Fire Red is also notably known because Micheal Jordan on March 28, 1990 scored a current career-high 69 points and put on a legendary performance against the Cleveland Cavaliers. Now, this legendary sneaker does come with a white synthetic leather upper. Now, the leather quality on this sneaker is pretty good. It is synthetic, but to be a synthetic leather, it's pretty standard for what you do receive now in 2020 for your Air Jordan 5s. Moving down to the bottom of the sneaker, it does come with a black midsole, and of course it does come with that translucent outsole with the red Jumpman in the center. And arguably one of the key details for the Air Jordan 5, the legendary shark teeth, which on the Fire Red colorway, it does come in a red. Now, one key detail why people are so excited for this release is because of the Nike Air on the heel. I don't know what it is, but the Nike Air on the heel, it is just legendary, and it's true to original form. This is the way that MJ wore it, and that's the way that most people do prefer it. It just looks so much better than the Jumpman. Now, rotating to the center of the sneaker, we do have a translucent plastic that is also present under the laces. Now, moving up, we do have the famous lace locks that come present on all Air Jordan 5s. And of course, how could you miss that famous 3M tongue that does come on the Air Jordan 5? This sneaker is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you're watching today's video and you haven't picked up this legendary sneaker yet, I will leave a link to the product down below in the video description for StockX and GOAT, where you can check your prices to see how expensive they are. They shouldn't be too expensive depending on when you're watching this video. If you're watching it, 2 to 3 years from now, prices could go up quite a bit for this legendary colorway, especially with the Nike Air on the heel. OG sneakerheads and sneakerheads in general, they absolutely love this aspect, and it's true to original form. The cut for this sneaker is very true to original form, the closest that they have done it ever, in my opinion. When you look at the toe box here and you look at around the heel, everything is pretty close to exact specifications to how Micheal Jordan rocked this sneaker back in 1990. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this review. If you haven't, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you do see a video here that you would like to watch, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you guys there in just a little bit. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that Sneaker Huddle logo. God bless and have a great day.